A cat sank 3 ships and didn't care. Meet Oscar, aka Unsinkable Sam, the World War II kitty with 9 lives, and then some. In 1941, this black and white furball survived the Bismarck's fiery doom, rescued by Brits who clearly didn't know he was cursed. Next, he shrugged off the HMS Cossack sinking like it was a bath. Then, the HMS Ark Royal went down. Sam, chillin' on a plank, mocking the Grim Reaper. 3 shipwrecks, 0 scratches. This cat was a mascot with a death wish. Sailors loved him, death feared him. Subscribe for daily videos.